the shortness of men's life. Job 9 verse 25 and 26. Thank you for the invite. We are happy to be here. The subject is simple this morning. You are all replaceable. You are all replaceable. Touch one or three people. Tell them you are all replaceable in ministry. It is an honor to be here this morning and to preach before these great men of God, pastors, doctors, and we have apostles in our midst this morning. Hear me good this morning. Everyone will one day be replaced. I want you to think of this. Everyone will one day be replaced on earth. You need to think about that. I want you to know that this morning, none of us are indispensable. In fact, we are all replaceable. Every one of us. Eventually, death will come one day to get us, and our health will prevent us from doing what we are doing now. We must make space, make room for someone else. The future generation will replace the current one, so on and so forth. Whether we like it or not, everything we do today, this weekend, this conference, should be based on the fact that we are completely replaceable. In my conclusion, pastors, God does not need you to achieve his purpose on this earth.